This video is about how to pair the GBD-200 watch with your smartphone. Turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone and start the Gshock Move application. Tap GBD-200 from the watch list. In watch mode, hold down the display button for about 2 seconds to start the settings. Select pairing from the setting menu and choose connect. Follow the on-screen instructions on the smartphone to complete the pairing. When the watch connects, complete the user profile and other settings. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe Gshock Middle East and Africa YouTube channel and like our videos.